Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany and you are watching Just a Little Brit. For those of you who are new here, welcome. What's up? You have just embarked on the greatest adventure of your life. Just kidding. Kind of. If you've been here before, hey, welcome back. If you guys can tell behind me, we're celebrating love a little early this year. So today we have another exciting unboxing brought to you by 4Everlasting greeting cards. We're unboxing January's gift card subscription box. Nuovi Inizi, or New Beginnings. Love box. So let's get started. I need a sharp tool. Pen will work. Ooh. Okay, so on the outside of our box, we have our vinyl die-cut stickers. Those are all hand-cut. And then on the inside... Okay. Nuovo Inizi. Yo nene. Nuevo nene. I told my Auntie Debbie she needs to work on the names, not making them so difficult for me to say because we know this guy. This is our guide that's going to tell us everything that's inside of our box. So we've got our DIY card making project that has 2 cards inside, packaged, ready to go with your layering cardstock, embellishments, and envelopes. You've got your basics that have your cardstock, paper, and envelopes. You've got 8 of the card bases. You've got 6 decorative papers for card layering, 3 embossed cardstocks for layering. You've got everything you need to make beautiful, beautiful handmade cards. And on the back, we have our layering guide, just kind of showing you a guide of all the papers that are included already in this box, what you can potentially do with them. So, let's take off a little. All right, let's get playing. So here we have a really cute gift tag, hand brushed with ink. So it's got a really nice like cloudy effect on it. And the paper is premium cardstock that is embossed with these really cute hearts, and they've got texture, and you know how much we love texture. I actually saw how she did this and it was so neat. I'm trying to find a way of getting her working on the cards into these videos as well, because I think that is so important and so cool for you guys to see. Very similar to the ones that we got in our Christmas box. We got some more of our heart candies that we love so much. They're so good. I can't drop them, I have dogs. Got it. Okay, so moving on. We've got rhinestone hearts, some beautiful embellishments. Embellishments, I love it. Okay, so we've got hearts. We've got I love yous. We've got a Cupid. Hello, that's a card. We've got these beautiful, this could be like a border. Or even here, on the side. I love you. Hearts. So cute. This one says our love songs. That's so cute. In case somebody writes you love songs. Love that. Got a little love bug. Love a little love bug. Lots of hearts. Anyway, tons and tons of embellishments that you can use to decorate your cards. Like, you can go crazy. You can be like, love you, mom, you know, or like, love you, boo thing, you know? It's for you to decide. Okay, I'm getting crazy excited. All right, so here we have our 2-pack You Are Beautiful / Thank You number 57 cards. This duo pack is actually sold on her website, www.4everlasting.net. This cutout is actually stamped and then hand color penciled. I'm dying to make this card. So in our DIY 2-pack, we've got 2 cards. Here's one base. It says You Are Beautiful. And then you've got the second base, which is a blank base. And inside you've got some cardstock that you can layer, all ready for you to go. So I'll probably be making one of those a little later. Cool fun story time. I actually was able to use every card in my December box. I was able to use all 10 that came for Christmas, which was really exciting. And I did order some extra cards to send out from 4Everlasting, but let's keep going forward. So we also got this multi-surface spray glue, and my Auntie Debbie swears by it. What did she say? Spray, stick, and forget about it, or something like that. She says, lay it, spray it, and stick it on, honey. I can't wait to try this today. lay it, spray it, and stick it on. Lay it, spray it, and stick it. Okay, lay it, spray it, and stick it. Yeah. So in our thank you little baggie, we get a seam creaser. That's what we're gonna call this guy. I also think I can open my mail with it. I could possibly hurt somebody with it, and I can create a seam with it. Do we remember when I was making those seams on the cardboard that made it like, you know, fold easier? I could have used this so much. So really excited about these guys. These are some designer paper for layering as well. Some little cutouts, and I'm dying for this gingham bow. Oh my goodness. Can I put it in my hair? Oh, I love this. This takes me back to 8th grade. And last but not least, we have our little package in here. Open it up to find our basics. Awesome. So in here we have 8 cardstock bases. We've got designer paper, embossed colored cardstock for layering, and our envelopes. Love those. So now that we finished our unboxing, maybe I'll go ahead and make some Valentine's Day cards. I can make some birthday cards with this box. I can do get well soon. I can do thank you cards. Sky's the limit. So this is my favorite part. Let's go ahead and make a card. I changed up the angle a little bit so you can see what I'm doing a little better. So I don't know where to start. I think I'm gonna do my Valentine card first and then maybe do a thank you or thinking of you or a different card. I'm sorry you guys can't see me that well. Hard time. Okay, so here we go. So first we're gonna do one of the cards that came in the DIY packet so I can show you guys just how easy they are to put together. And then we're gonna go ahead and go rogue and maybe make like a cute little Valentine's Day card. Here we go. Get cozy. All right, so we've got this one and this one as our bases. And then inside we've got this guy. So I think I am drawn most to this one. There's some more white behind it, but I wouldn't want that paper to get lost. So I don't know. The quickest scissors I found were children's scissors. I love that for me, but they're red, so it matches, and I'm not mad at that, you know? I can't commit to cutting this paper, it's so pretty! I was looking at this cute little cutout that came with it. Maybe it will help pop the background out a bit. Okay, so she said lay it, spray it, and stick it on, so here we go. I got another piece of paper just to kind of, oh, that's so much more than I needed. Okay, lay it, spray it, and stick it on. So I'm gonna put it right under my You're Beautiful. Oh my gosh, oh no! Okay, look at this. What? I never. Okay. Lay. Hold it down for a couple seconds. Irritating to the skin or eyes, flammable, contains contents under pressure, do not capture or incinerate container. Tool for eyes. Turn off pilot lights. Oh, okay. You guys need just a little bit of spray. A little bit of spray. Right there. Okay, a little bit of spray. Not too much this time around. And then I'm just going to line it up at the bottom. And put over just a little bit. Kind of feels like it becomes part of the paper almost. Okay. You are beautiful. So from here, we just go ahead and decorate it further. I'm gonna get some glue because I think it would stick better with just a little bit more glue. Okay, so this, I don't know if you guys recognize this, but I got it in my last box. It's a multi-purpose glue pen. I'm just gonna put some glue on the spots that aren't adhering as well as I'd want them to, just like a little spot. But honestly, that spray glue it worked like a charm, and it really made the paper feel like it became part of the original card. I couldn't move it even if I tried right now. It came with this very cute bow, so I'm just gonna attach that to here as well. So it came in a string. I'm gonna go ahead and separate them. Sometimes, and I don't know how I do this, but I rip off the glue that it already comes with, and then I'm stuck putting glue on it, like a silly goose. So far we've got this little baddie going on. It says, "You are so beautiful to me. Can't you see?" This is not attaching so well with the glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some hot glue going really quick. Since I have it around, it's never too far away. I just unplugged my light. I'm just gonna attach the bow, because guys, these are going in the mail, so obviously they're gonna get squished and bumped, and just a little bit of glue on this pearl so that I can put it on top. Alright, so this is where we're at, and I think the top looks a little bare, so I'm going to add some more of my pearls. I'll go ahead and finish this off, and then we will come back and start our Valentine one. So this is what we've got. So easy, and everything that I needed was in my little envelope. I still have another card that I can make out of the contents that were in that envelope, and I probably could push out another 2 cards from whatever was in that envelope, but for sure you have another one. So obsessed. Leave that one there. Okay, now our Valentine Day card. I kind of want to go ham. Ooh, and I can use my seam presser. Okay. Beautiful. Okay. So let's start. Maybe we'll make 2 cards. I don't know. We'll just see where this Valentine thing takes us. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I kind of made a mess. Okay. I love this heart. I feel like this has got to happen. This reminds me of my Auntie Debbie. She loves cherubs. Oh, it kind of looks like it's head out. I love that. Doesn't it? Like he's like in the heart. He's like, you could shoot an arrow. But yeah, he's like in there. It looks like he's like, get out. Okay, we're so gonna do this one. Okay, I'm so excited. So here we go. Here we go. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, so this is what we're looking at. So beautiful. And honestly, I think it's done. I love how easy it was that the rhinestones were spaced out on their own. It pretty much did itself. And let's make one more. Do Valentine or not Valentine? Or So here I have my 3 cards that I made, 2 Valentine and 1 just anytime, you are beautiful, I'm thinking of you, love you cards. One of my New Year's resolutions is to actually send the cards that I make, so we'll see if I do that. I'll let you guys know, I'll keep you posted. I hope you enjoyed our unboxing. Make sure to comment if you've joined the subscription family, both 4Everlasting greeting cards and Just a Little Brit. I am so excited to hear all of your card making stories in the future. Hopefully you'll have some and we can like bounce off ideas of like, hey, I did this with my card. What did you do with your card? Oh, well, I did this. I would love to do that. That's the best. Make sure to go over to www.4everlasting.net to pick up your subscription boxes, or you can pick up this month's just on its own, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye! Do you see my shirt? It says my dog is my Valentine. I have 5, so they all can't say no. Gosh.